I didn't expect this hiking to teach me anything. I just want to enjoy the day. But somewhere between getting tired, quitting, and almost going back, I realized something about myself that I didn't expect. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Nadeem and I'm documenting my journey of self-improvement step by step here in Afghanistan. In this video, we'll be going through a simple hiking journey that taught me 3 things I think many of us are struggling with. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Starting is easy, continuing is hard. In the beginning, I was full of energy, talking, joking, and enjoying everything. You know that feeling when you start something new, English, study, business, you feel like you can do anything. But after some time, I wasn't talking anymore. My steps became slower, and suddenly that same energy was gone. And I realized this is exactly how most of us live. We start learning English, but we stop after 2 weeks. We start going to the gym, but we quit after a few days. We start big dreams, but we forgot them after a month. It is not that we can't start, it is that we don't know how to continue when it gets hard. Lesson 2. Our emotions will lie to us. There was a moment I just stopped, and my mind started giving me reasons. Nadeem, you're tired. You've done enough. Just go back. And honestly, this is our daily life. You feel lazy, so you don't study. You feel tired, so you skip your work. You feel unmotivated, so you delay your goals. But that day, I kept walking. Not because I felt good, but because I didn't listen to that voice. If you only work when you feel good, you will never achieve great things in life. Lesson 3. There is no perfect path in life. At one point, we didn't even know where to go. There was no clear path, just guessing. And I thought, this is exactly our situation in Afghanistan. Most of us don't have a clear plan, no perfect guidance, no guaranteed way. But still, some people move forward. They make progress, not because they know everything, but because they don't stop. Yes, they don't stop. And honestly, I'm still figuring things out. I don't have everything clear, but I'm moving, step by step, learning as I go. That day, I didn't just finish a hike to get physically strong. I understood something simple. Life will feel heavy sometimes. You feel you can't, and the path won't be clear, but you still have to move. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you haven't watched my first video which I have outlined 3 decisions that changed my life at 21, click on the screen and I will see you there inshallah. Thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.